I'm Carol Lawson, an estate planning and probate attorney in Clearwater, Florida. Do not purchase a property with a significant other who is not your legal husband or wife. Don't do it. And here's why. When you co-own property with somebody else who is not your legal spouse, there is always a right to partition. And what that means is, when you break up, either one of you has the right to force the sale of the property. When that happens, a court will order it either be sold privately or at public auction, and then the court will determine how much of the proceeds each of you is entitled to. Where unmarried couples run into issues is one person usually contributes more money to the purchase of the home and the maintenance of the home than the other person. Oftentimes in a partition, you're not going to get credit for all of the money that you've contributed to the property. You will get credit for things like mortgage payments and insurance payments and tax payments. However, you will not be able to recover any money that you paid toward the purchase of the property. So if one of the partners put down the down payment, paid the closing costs, and was able to use their credit to apply for and obtain the loan, and the loan is only in their name, once you close on the purchase of that property, you and the other person on title with you are going to be an equal 50-50 owner with you, even though they didn't contribute anything to the purchase of the property. You are seen to have gifted them 50% of the property by placing them on the deed. So my very strong advice would be, do not purchase property with a significant other if you are not married, unless you have a very strong written contract between the two of you that dictates who's going to pay for what and who is entitled to what money. If the relationship goes south and the home has to be sold, I recommend a lawyer prepare this agreement. Just don't do it. Just don't do it if you're paying for it. You should be on title. And then later you want to add your new spouse to the title, you can do so. Don't do it before marriage.